Hello, it's Melanie from the dev team with a quick update for you regarding phone numbers. You now have the option to pass the called or dialed number as the caller ID. So let's take a look at what this means and why you may want to use this. Here in settings, we're going to go to phone numbers, and then under your phone numbers, you'll click the edit icon next to the number you'd like to make this change for. Here you have the option to check or uncheck the passed called number as caller ID. You can hover over this little information icon to read a little bit more about what this means. So by default, the system will automatically pass the number of the caller through. But if you want the caller ID to instead be the number that they dialed, you can check the box to enable this feature. So let's think through what this means for a moment. Most of the time, when this box is not checked, what will happen is if somebody dials your Twilio number and it forwards to your business, whether you run a med spa, a roofing business, a real estate company, a doggy daycare, or anything else, if they call a Twilio number and it forwards to your cell phone or to another office line, the caller ID is going to show the number that that person is calling from, whether it's their landline or their cell phone or any other number that they are calling from. The benefit to that feature is that you're able to dial that number back directly if you miss the call. But if you check this box to pass the called number as the caller ID, this will then use that Twilio number that the calls are forwarded from. And the benefit here is that you can then track how many calls are being done through your Twilio number. You can save that number to your office or your mobile line where the calls are being forwarded to, and then you'll always know when you're getting a business call from that number. So depending on your certain circumstances and situation, you may want to enable or disable this. It's very easy to do by simply checking or unchecking the box, and then you will want to scroll down and click update in order to confirm the changes. That's all for now, and of course, I'll be sharing more updates as we release new features. Thanks so much.